Impressive brightness. Use 180pc's quality 5050 DLED to output ultra-bright charming light to light up your entire truck bed. Include 8 solid colors, 4 music modes, colors jumping, fading, and brightness speed adjustable options. RF remote control. RF remote, no need to point at controller, solid wall passable, can remote control light strip over a long distance. Flexible durable design. The RGB light strip is an IP67 sealed housing, well protect strip against raindrop, dirt and sand, super durable and flexible with up to 30,000 hours lifespan. Simple installation. Firstly, clean mounting position with alcohol and dry it up. Then just peel and stick light strip on the mounting surface. You can also add on the included mounting hardware for extra secure. Ease and safe electrical hookup. Come with two-way splitter cable, 5A inline blade fuse, on, off switch, plenty extension cable, mounting hardware for all your wiring needs. Always be user-friendly and ensure the circuit safety for your on-road driving. Fit type. Universal fit. Nilight 2PCS 60-inch RGB truck bed light strip kit widely used for RV awning light, truck bed light, step bar LED light, side door light etc. Specifications. LED strip light dimension, 60 inches 3/5 1/4, light strip wire bundle length, 59 inches on, off switch wire with splitter cable, 55 inches extension wire, 78 inches LED type, 5050 SMD LED quantity, 90 PCS per strip LED lumen, 20 to 22 LM, LED light color, RGB color options operating voltage, 12 volts DC waterproof, IP67 lifetime, 50,000 hours package include 2x LED light strip with wire bundle 1x on, off switch blade fuse wire controller box bundle 1x extension wire to power source 1x hardware pack 1x RF remote control 1x user manual. Top reviews from the United States. I want have another truck without lights like these. The remote works awesome. I have even used it from outside the truck. The color options are great and give you everything from super bright white to dim red that won't bother your eyes in the dark. Great for finding stuff at night or ambiance at a bonfire or tailgating.